Have you ever wondered why, despite working hard and following conventional financial advice, you still struggle to grow your wealth? Does it feel like you're constantly earning but never building anything lasting? If you're ready to break free from that cycle and start building wealth from the ground up, this guide is for you. Today, we'll discuss actionable strategies that will help you build financial freedom, even if you're starting with nothing. Many of us were raised to believe that hard work, getting an education, and saving money would guarantee financial success. While these are important, they're not enough on their own to build substantial wealth. The traditional approach, work a 9 to 5 job, save, and live below your means, might allow you to get by, but it won't create lasting financial freedom. In fact, it often leads to a paycheck to paycheck lifestyle that feels like a never-ending grind. So, how do the wealthy build their fortunes? And how can you apply those same principles to your own life? Why the financial system doesn't help you build wealth? The first thing you need to understand is that the financial system isn't designed to help regular people become wealthy. It's structured in a way that encourages you to work, pay taxes, take on loans, and spend. The more you work and the more loans you take out, whether it's for a car, home, or education, the more interest you pay, which helps banks grow rich, but not you. The wealthy understand how the system works and use it to their advantage. They avoid becoming trapped in the paycheck to paycheck cycle by focusing on strategies that make their money grow. This involves a different way of thinking about money. Rather than just earning and saving, they invest, create income streams, and make their money work for them. The rich get richer. Why? The rich get richer because they think about money in a completely different way. While most people believe that the only way to make money is by working for it, the wealthy see money as a tool that should work for them. They don't just rely on income from a job, they use their money to create multiple streams of income. Take successful entrepreneurs like Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and Warren Buffett, for example. They didn't accumulate their wealth by working a 9 to 5 job. Instead, they built businesses, made investments, and reinvested their earnings into ventures that grew over time. You don't need to be a billionaire to follow the same path. It starts with a shift in mindset. Stop working for money and start making money work for you. Step 1, track your finances. The first step in building wealth is gaining control over your financial situation. If you don't know where your money is going, it's impossible to manage it properly. You need to track your finances by keeping a detailed record of every dollar you earn and spend. This may seem tedious, but it's one of the most important habits to develop if you want to improve your financial health. Tracking your income and expenses helps you see where your money is going and where you might be overspending. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, you can identify areas where you can cut back and redirect that money towards savings or investments. In addition to helping you control your spending, tracking your finances also protects you from financial risks. By monitoring your accounts, you'll be less likely to fall victim to fraud or make poor financial decisions that could set you back. Once you have this foundation in place, you'll be in a much better position to move forward. Step 2, stop saving and start investing. One of the biggest misconceptions people have is that saving money alone will make them wealthy. While saving is essential for building an emergency fund, it won't grow your wealth over time. Inflation slowly eats away at the value of your savings, making it critical to invest if you want your money to grow. Investing allows your money to increase through compound interest, meaning your money earns returns, and those returns generate even more money over time. You don't need to be an expert to start investing. In fact, you can begin with small amounts and gradually increase your investments as you learn more. Options like low-cost index funds, which track the overall performance of the stock market, are a great way to get started. You don't have to stop saving altogether. Emergency savings are important, but once you have that cushion, investing is the key to growing your wealth. Even if you start small, the most important thing is to begin investing as early as possible. Step 3. Use debt wisely. Debt often has a negative reputation, but not all debt is bad. In fact, many wealthy people use debt as a tool to build their fortunes. There's a crucial difference between good debt and bad debt. Bad debt, like high-interest credit cards or personal loans, can cripple your finances if left unchecked. However, good debt, such as a mortgage on an income-producing property, can be an asset. Step 4. Maximize your tax efficiency. Taxes are one of the biggest expenses you'll ever have, but the wealthy know how to reduce their tax burden legally. The more you earn, the more taxes you're required to pay. However, there are many strategies available to help you keep more of your money. Step 5. Build a strong credit score. A good credit score is essential for building wealth. It affects your ability to get loans, mortgages, and even employment in some cases. The higher your credit score, the more favorable terms you'll get when borrowing money. This can save you thousands of dollars over the life of a loan. Step 6. Embrace a problem-solving mindset. One of the defining traits of wealthy people is their ability to solve problems. Rather than getting discouraged by setbacks, they see challenges as opportunities. This mindset is critical for anyone looking to build wealth because inevitably financial obstacles will arise. Step 7. Think long-term. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight. One of the most important qualities of successful people is their ability to think long-term. They understand that true wealth is built over time through consistent effort and smart decisions. While it might be tempting to chase quick wins or jump into get-rich-quick schemes, those rarely lead to lasting financial success. Wealthy people focus on sustainable growth and long-term investments. They know that the biggest rewards come from patience and persistence. By focusing on long-term goals and avoiding short-term distractions, you'll be able to build lasting wealth. This requires discipline, but the payoff is financial freedom that can last for generations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Continue learning with our next video, where we dive deeper into making money work for you and achieving the financial freedom you deserve.